Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me Barsa here. Today we are going to show you how to change the font on Snapchat to make your snap even more fun and creative. Let's dive in. First thing first, let's open up the Snapchat. If you don't have it installed, just head to the App Store or Google Play Store and download it. Now that you are inside Snapchat, let's take a snap. You either capture a photo or record a video. For this tutorial, I will go ahead and take a quick photo. Once your snap is ready, it's time to add some text. Just tap onto the text icon at the top of the screen, which looks like a capital T. Now type in your text. After you type your text, you will notice that Snapchat offers several font options. To change the font style, simply tap onto the text and you will see different font style. You can select any font of this style. Now go with this. Once you have chosen your font, you can also change the size by using the slider at the top of the screen. You can pinch it to move it around. Tap and hold the text and drag it to wherever you want it on your snap. If you want to get even more creative, you can add some color to your text. After selecting your font, just tap onto the color palette on the side of the screen and choose your favorite color. Once you are happy with your font and text placement, you are ready to send your snap. Just hit the blue send button to share it with your friends or to your story. And that's it. You have learned how to change the font on Snap and customize your text now. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the next video.